it's Heather. Ideas to come. And I got a special package, and I've been meaning to do a video. I've got another video coming out with a little mixed media kind of book thing. I've had done work on that for many times. Anyways, so I'll have another video coming out just so you know what's going on. I know I tend to disappear sometimes, but I'm good. I'm not gonna do that to you guys again. But this is an Easter gift from Rosie, my friend Rosie. And we have become very good friends, and she's a sweetheart. Oh my gosh. So she sent me these beautiful packages, and I just wanted to share them with you guys because that's so awesome. So that's so sweet of her. Oh my gosh, she made a tag. Look at this beautiful tag. Oh, Rosie, this is so pretty. Look, an Easter tag. Oh, it's so pretty. She's sewn on it. If you can see that. Oh, and did she decoupage? It looks like she decoupage. And then she's got some of my lace under here from the shop. I don't know why I'm not getting correct light, but some of the lace here from my shop. Oh, that's so pretty. And this opens up. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? She decoupaged that on there. Or glued it on. One of the two. Oh, look. Oh, pretty. And this has to be a stick pin from my shop. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know, my camera's not showing me. Oh, and it's on a little bunny tag. Look at these. My goodness, those are so gorgeous. Look at those stick pins. I sent her some stick pins. These ones because I had just got them in and I was like, oh, Rosie needs some of those. And then this one's sewn also. Oh, look at that. I love these butterflies. So pretty. I love it. And it's whitewashed on the back. Love that. So pretty, Rosie. Thank you so much. I'm gonna leave them like that because then I can just take them out like I'm getting a present each time I want to take them out. No, I'll probably display them here in my room, in my craft room. My office / craft room. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? A little something to sweeten your day. Enjoy, and share with Ray Ray. Oh, so she sent something for me, but also to share with Ray Ray. Aww. Oh my gosh, what is it? Candy? Oh, we're having candy tonight. We're having dessert. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Look. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you for the treats. Sweet treats from a sweet friend. And beautiful, beautiful tags and stick pins. And look at this doily. Is just gorgeous. And I don't know how I'll ever use that, Rosie. I don't, because it's so pretty. I see people cut them up and do all that stuff, and I get repurposing. I get all that. It's just hard for me, I guess, because I'm older, I guess. I don't know, and I grew up around this kind of stuff with my grandma and my mom, and they actually used to use doilies underneath their things on the tables. So it's really, really hard for me to use this stuff and cut it up. I have actually before, but it's really, really hard. So thank you, Rosie, for my sweet treats and my sweet gift, and happy Easter to you, and I will talk to you soon. All of you, bye for now.